Billy Drilly Pistol Challenge Overview and Challenge Demonstration. This regular A.I.M.M challenge has a skill level rating of difficult and is a static, single position, single target, quick shooting round accountability drill. The only target used for this challenge is the pink silhouette. This shooting challenge comes from our A.I.M.M training system pistol range book and is started at the 5-yard line with the pistol loaded and in the holster with one magazine filled with 8 live rounds. This is a timed event with a 3-second limit. The goal of this challenge is to successfully engage a target with multiple shots very quickly. Once the competitor is staged and ready at the 5-yard line, pistol loaded and holstered, the timekeeper will say, "Stand by," and start the shot timer. On the beep, the competitor will draw the pistol from the holster, shooting hand not staged on the pistol before the beep, and engage the pink target with only 6 rounds in quick succession. Time stops on the last shot. Now let's watch it in real time. Shooter, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. .25. To successfully pass this challenge, the competitor and any challengers must complete the task in the allotted time frame. Skills strengthened: quick draw, quick shooting, round accountability, and shot accountability. Real-world application. Depending on the situation, environment, and threat type, you might have to engage a threat with multiple rounds in a very quick succession, or you might be a competitive shooter where knowing your round count is important, which is why this challenge focuses on shooting quick and accurately, along with round accountability by ensuring only 6 rounds are fired. Important standards and notes. Round accountability standard. The extra 2 rounds, 8 in total, in the magazine are used to ensure the shooter is consciously tracking how many rounds they shoot during the engagement. If the magazine only had the 6 rounds as needed for this challenge, they could just shoot until empty, but with the extra 2 rounds, it introduces round accountability while shooting. For this challenge, only 6 rounds are to be shot. If more or less than 6 rounds are shot, this challenge has not been completed successfully. Mod 2 variant of this challenge has a skill level rating of difficult and increases the distance from 5 yards to 10 yards. And it changes the time set standard to a must beat the competitor's time. All other elements are the same. This is just one of the almost 200 pistol challenges that test your skill and efficiency. Visit our website at intuitivedefense.com to get your copy of the A.I.M.M Training System Pistol Challenge Range Book, along with the paper targets. May the odds be ever in your favor.